You have worked for 40 years. You have paid your taxes. But if you are over 55 right now, your retirement is actively under attack. It's bloody frustrating watching your hard-earned nest egg get chewed up while politicians and banks pat themselves on the back. Today, I am exposing the 5 middle-class traps draining Aussie retirees in 2026. Stop buying these immediately or watch your savings vanish. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it so your money actually lasts. Pay close attention because trap number 3 is the exact reason thousands of Aussies are completely ruining their age pension right now. Let's crack on.
You've hit 60, you're about to retire or you just did. The first thing you think is, I deserve a reward. So you march down to the dealership and drop $80,000 on a brand new 4-wheel drive or a luxury caravan for the big lap. This is a massive mistake. Here is the brutal math. The second you drive that brand new car off the lot in 2026, it loses 15 to 20% of its value. You just set $16,000 on fire. Unless your retirement plan involves eating 2-minute noodles in the back of a depreciating asset, stop buying brand new cars. You are trading income-producing capital for a hunk of metal that costs you money in insurance, fuel and servicing every single year. Buy a reliable 3-year-old used car. Let some other bloke take the depreciation hit, or you keep your cash in super or an offset account where it actually works for you.
But it gets worse. While you are worrying about what car to drive, the insurance companies are quietly bleeding your accounts dry. If you're in your late 50s or 60s, why do you still have default life insurance inside your superannuation? Or worse, why are you paying massive premiums out of pocket? Life insurance is designed to replace your income if you drop dead while you have a mortgage and young kids. Mate, you're 60. The house is paid off or close to it. The kids are 30 and gone. Who exactly are you insuring yourself for? The cat?
These default premiums inside super increase dramatically as you age. By the time you are 60, you could be paying thousands of dollars a year in premiums for a policy you do not need. That is thousands of dollars ripped directly out of your compounding retirement balance. Log into your super account today, check your insurance tab, and if you don't have dependents relying on your income, cancel it.
Now remember earlier when I said there was a trap completely ruining the age pension for thousands of Aussies? Here it is. The bank of mum and dad. Look, we all love our kids, but handing over $50,000 or $100,000 to help them with a house deposit, a wedding, or their kids' private school fees is financial suicide if you are not fully funded for your own retirement. Your kids have 30 or 40 years to pay off a mortgage and recover from financial setbacks. You do not. You have right now. However, it is not just about the cash you lose. If you hand over a massive lump sum to your kids right before you apply for the age pension, Centrelink doesn't just look the other way. Under the deprivation rules, you can only give $10,000 in a single financial year, or $30,000 over 5 years. If you give your kids $50,000, Centrelink will still count the extra $40,000 as your asset for the next 5 years. They will assess you on money you no longer even have. Stop funding your adult kids' lifestyles. Secure your own oxygen mask first.
You might be thinking, all right, Bruce, I won't buy the car, I cancel my insurance, and the kids get nothing. I'll just leave my $200,000 sitting safely in the bank. That is the 4th trap. Hoarding cash. Keeping a year or two of living expenses in cash is smart. Keeping your entire retirement nest egg in a standard savings account is a guaranteed way to go broke slowly. In 2026, the cost of groceries, electricity and rates are skyrocketing. If inflation is running at 4% and your bank is paying you 4.5%, after tax, you are going backwards. Your cash is not safe in the bank, it is just losing its purchasing power safely. You need assets that outpace inflation, whether that is a balanced super fund, index funds, or utilising a mortgage offset account. Stop buying into the illusion that a massive pile of cash makes you secure. It makes you a sitting duck for inflation.
If you think you've dodged the first 4 traps, grab your latest super or investment statement. The 5th trap draining middle-class Aussies is paying percentage-based financial advisor fees for a set-and-forget strategy. I am talking about the 1% or 1.5% ongoing fee that gets silently skimmed off your balance every single year. If you have $500,000 in super, a 1% fee means you are paying $5,000 a year. What exactly is that advisor doing for $5,000 a year? Did they call you? Did they restructure your portfolio? Or did they put you in an expensive managed fund 5 years ago and haven't spoken to you since? If you are paying for ongoing advice, you better be getting ongoing value. Otherwise, you are paying for a bloke's European holiday while your retirement balance stagnates. Switch to an industry super fund or a low-cost index option and stop paying a premium for a service you aren't receiving.
Stop buying depreciating assets. Kill your zombie insurance. Close the bank of mum and dad. Protect your cash from inflation and stop paying ghost fees. It is your money. Defend it. If you want to know exactly how much you actually need in super to retire comfortably without relying on these traps, watch the video on your screen right now. I break down the brutal math of retiring with $300,000. See you over there.